If you were to ask any of my clients, they would probably all agree that one of my greatest gifts is to provide clarity. Yes, clarity, clear vision.
I trust Miguel with personal things, with professional things, career development, planning.
And Miguel is the perfect person to do this because he does bring a sense of just deep, unconditional love that flows through him and flows through every individual that he works with.
I recommend the Conscious Path because I know Miguel has a lot of skills and a lot of tools to help people to help themselves. Because I think Conscious Path, it's not Miguel trying to tell you what to do. His skills are helping you to clarify the ideas that you have so you can help yourself.
I highly recommend Miguel Franco for individuals and for organizations, not only because he has a lot of experience in what he does, or because he has developed an incredible framework in the field called Core Interactions Theory, but mainly because he produces results.
Miguel Franco has the credentials and the background to deliver real knowledge that is effective in your work, in your art, in your life. The Conscious Path system has the meat.
You're awesome, Miguel.